A very good morning, kids. Today we are going to see the question with answers in sorting materials into groups. First one, name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. What are the objects can be made from wood? Table, chair, door, bullock cart, plough. Okay, and you have to write some other objects also. That is your wish. Okay, no need to write the same objects what I can give, which I can give. Okay, you can prepare. Next, second one, select those objects from the following which shine. They given some objects. From that, you can select some objects which shine. Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. In these things, glass bowl and steel spoon are shining objects. Shining objects. Next. Given below are the names of some objects and materials. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple and earthen picture. Okay, and you have to group them as round shaped and other shaped, eatable and non-eatable. In these objects, you have to group them as round shaped and other shaped object. Eatable and non-eatable. Okay. First, round shaped objects. Round shaped objects. Basketball, oranges, globe, apple. These are the round shaped objects. Other shaped object, water, sugar, earthen picture. Earthen picture are the other shaped objects. Eatables, water, orange, sugar, apple. Water, orange, sugar and apple are the eatable. Non-eatable, basketball, globe, earthen picture are non-eatable. Okay. Next. What are transparent materials? The materials through which objects can be seen are known as transparent materials. The materials through which objects can be seen are known as transparent materials. What are opaque materials? The materials through which objects cannot be seen are known as opaque materials. The materials through which objects can be seen transparent, cannot be seen opaque. Okay. Next, what are translucent materials? The materials through which object can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent materials. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent materials. Okay. Next, name the different properties of that materials have. Name the different properties that materials have. Properties of materials: appearance, hardness, conduction of heat and electricity, transparency, attraction towards a magnet, state, roughness. Okay. What are the properties of materials? Appearance, hardness, conduction of heat and electricity, transparency, attraction towards a magnet, state, roughness. Okay. Next, what is the difference between conductors and insulators of electricity? Give 2 examples of each. Conductors, insulators. Conductors, materials which allow heat through them easily are called conductors. Materials which do not allow heat through them are called insulators. Materials which allow heat through them easily are called conductors. Materials which does not allow heat through them are called insulators. Okay, example for the conductors. All metals are conductors. All non-metals are insulators. All metals are conductors and all non-metals are insulators. Example for the metals: iron, copper, silver, aluminium. Okay, water. Water is also a conductor. Okay, next insulator: paper, wood, glass, pencil, book. These are the rubber. Okay, rubber are the insulators. Okay, kids. Thank you.